Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, Google just sent me a big box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Much bigger than the box that I got when I got my Google Pixel 4a. So I'm about to do an unboxing and first thoughts. But I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm gonna say that for future videos. Well, enough of me yapping. It's time to get unpacking. Let's go.
That's how I got that heat. Let's go.
Well, alright, everybody. As you can see, I'm greeted with this card or envelope that says the Google Hyperspeed Helper. Let me see what's in here. Okay, first, people, check out how the envelope unfolds.
Lord have mercy.
And people, inside the envelope, a nice welcoming letter from Google, which is a great look. Thank you, Google. And then also the Google Hyperspeed Helper. Man, it's greeting me to my Pixel 5, the Pixel 5 case, and the Pixel Buds. Wow. All right, let's check them out. All right, first I'm gonna start with the Pixel 5 itself, then the case, then the buds. Let's go. Okay, as far as the box goes to the Pixel 5, yeah, got some weight to it. Standard Google packaging, Team Pixel on deck, stand up.
Yeah!
5G right there, so yeah, this is a 5G phone. Let's open them up. No knives needed for this unboxing, I see. Come on. Okay, inside the box is this mint green Pixel 5. Oh my goodness.
This is beautiful.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Put this to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. Take that out. Instruction pamphlet and SIM injection tool right there. Okay. Here we go.
Okay!
As you can see, it comes with a charger brick right here, fast charging on deck, USB-C cord, migration tool, USB-C to USB-A, no dongle in the box. Wish you would have had a headphone jack dongle, that'd have been sauce. Okay, on to the main event of the box, the phone. Take this plastic off. Okay, sort of satisfying, not bad. Man, oh man. Now, as far as the size of the phone, it's almost the same size as the Pixel 4a and everything. The differences are, on the Pixel 4a, you got one camera right there, but now you got a 2-camera setup on the back here. The materials, aluminum and everything. Yes, sir, I'm not gonna say aluminium. I'm gonna pronounce it the way it's supposed to be pronounced. It's aluminum, people. It's aluminum.
Alrighty then.
Now let's take a tour of the phone. Now on the back, like I said before, you got your 2 cameras right there, your flash at the top, fingerprint sensor on deck, and the nice Google logo right there. On the bottom, you know what I'm saying, you got your microphone right there, USB-C port, and speaker. On the right side of the phone, you got your buttons on deck, you get your power button right there with a nice glossy green finish, absolutely lit, and the volume bar rocker. On the top of the phone, you got a noise canceling microphone right there, and on the right side, you got your SIM tray. Now let's power this boy on. Now the device is powering up and everything. You see the screen real estate? You know what I'm saying? You got the camera right there at the top left and everything. Well, people, I'm about to slap my SIM card in here, set it on up, and I'll be back in a second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I installed my SIM card and everything. The Pixel 5 is getting updated with all my apps and settings and everything. Got a nice banner at the top that says, welcome to your new Pixel. People, this device so far, very easy to set up. So while my phone is finishing in the setup and everything, let's go ahead and check out the case.
For shizzle.
Okay, here's the box for the official Google Pixel 5 case. I'm really feeling the color wave on this one on the outside of the box. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Got a nice little handle right there. Pull this boy on out. Okay. Y'all really gonna surprise the brother. Very nice, very different. I'm really feeling the colors on this one. Navy blue and lime green, super mean. Shout out to the Seattle Seahawks. Now the materials on here is hard TPU up under that, but it got fabric, nice wool fabric or polyester on the outside. Nice feel in the hand. And on the inside right here, nice Alcantara with the Google Pixel 5 right there at the bottom and some more logos. All right, everybody. Here's the official Pixel 5 case on a Pixel 5. Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's take a tour. On the bottom of the case is pretty much wide open, so you can have access to your microphone, USB-C port, and speaker. On the right side of the case, you got a nice lime green button and a raised hump for the volume rocker. On the top of the case, you got a cutout for the noise canceling microphone, and then on the left, it's bare because there's nothing there. And then as far as the back of the case, that's where all the magic happens. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got cutouts for your cameras, fingerprint sensor, and a dope lime green Google logo right there.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Now as far as the screen protection and everything, which depends on the lip of the phone, let me tilt it to the side. Okay, medium-sized lips, so it's some protection. Okay. So far, my first impressions, I like this case. All right, now let's check out the buds.
Yeah, boy!
Okay, here's the box for the Google Pixel Buds on deck. You got a picture of the buds right there themselves. Standard Google branding. Got a nice picture on the box with a lady with a Pixel Bud in her ear. Okay. And again, picture the case with the buds in them. Let's go inside the box. Let's hit it. Okay. Inside the Pixel Buds case is the Pixel Buds case. Let me go ahead and take this plastic off. Okay. Here's the case of the Pixel Buds and everything. Got a USB-C port on the bottom and everything. Flip it on open. And there's the buds with the indicator light. Very good. And as soon as I open these Pixel Buds up, I got an alert on my Pixel 5. Yes, indeed. Pixel Buds, tap the parent. Let's go. All right, we're going through the pairing process. Didn't take that long at all. Connected to Tanna's Pixel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, the pairing process, pretty much easy. 2 steps, pretty dope. But as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not going in too much on these devices. Trust me, reviews are coming.
And you know this, man.
Okay. So I showed you guys everything. I unboxed everything. The Pixel 5, the case, and the Pixel Buds. My first impressions and thoughts? Okay, I'm quite impressed, all right? I can't wait to dive into that 5 right there and them buds. Real talk. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Team Pixel a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.